This is second grade Go Math lesson 4.7, and today we're practicing two-digit addition, and all it says is just write the sum. Now most of these you will regroup on, like we practiced yesterday, but there's a couple exceptions where you may not regroup. So as you're adding in the numbers, just be aware of what you're doing there. Yesterday we had lines that broke up the ones and the tens here. Today there are no lines. So for the parents that are used to, doing math as they were a kid, this looks exactly like it did when you were a child as well. So if I add 8 and 7, that number is 15. And now I can't put the 1 down here because the 1 for 15 is in the tens, and I have to regroup it to the tens, which are over here on the left hand side. Simply going to bring these two numbers together. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 58 plus 17 is 75. Now if I move over here to number 2, this problem is a little bit different. I'm going to show you how. And I'm going to just I am going to use dots to kind of to represent the numbers here, so you have a better understanding of what's going on. Because we're actually going to regroup twice. 4 plus 6 is right over here. I'm just going to draw a little line over here, this soft little line, and write 4 right here, and I'm going to make 6 dots here. Alright, so if I count all these up, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So right there I have a group of 10 right off the bat. So when I circle them, there's nothing left over, and the number 10 has a 0 in the ones digit. So I'm going to write a 0 right here, and I'm going to regroup that 10 to the tens column. I'm going to add these two together. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Now, if I add these together, let me just show you this real quick. I'm going to draw, I actually should be drawing lines for these because these are tens. So I have 80 down here essentially, or 8 tens. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80. I look over here, I have 5 tens, or 50. Sorry for the focus problems. We can focus here. There we go. So there's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So again, I have 8 down here, 9, 10. So that is essentially 100. Remember, if we have 10 tens, that makes 100. And now I have 3 tens left over. So I have 100 here and 3 tens. So I'm going to put my 3 right here because that's the number left over. And I have another group, which I said 10 tenths makes 100. It makes 100. So I'm just going to simply write 1 right there. So now it shows 44 plus 86 makes 130.